Hi, it's Mary Jane here from Home for the Harvest, and I want to show you this beautiful magnolia. This is a deciduous magnolia, so it loses its leaves in the fall, and just as the leaves are starting to come out in the spring, there are these beautiful, beautiful flowers. Flowers actually stay on the plant. I think they grow in like the summertime for the next year. They stay in the plant all through the winter. You can see the little buds there all winter under the snow, and then in April, usually in the middle of April, they start to bloom, and it is so beautiful. Oh, there's a hummingbird. So these hybrid magnolias are super easy to grow. It has been doing a lot better since we put it on a drip line, so that's helpful, I think. But it gets full sun, but it doesn't really get anything special, any special treatment. We did have a light frost actually this morning when I woke up, and the blossoms are fine. Like, that is amazing. So I think they're hardy to zone 4, and we're in zone 5 here. So I think it's so amazing that we can have frost in the morning, and then by, it's noon now, and there's bumblebees and honeybees all buzzing around it. There's hummingbirds. It's amazing. It's wonderful. So it's a great landscaping plant. It makes such a statement in the spring when it's blooming like this. So yeah, usually kind of middle of April it starts to bloom. Last week of April it's really starting to go. First week of May, which is where we are now, it's just totally in bloom. So it's a really, really nice spring plant, but it also has these beautiful kind of lush, shiny green, almost tropical looking leaves for the rest of the year. So it's not like it's only pretty for a couple weeks. It's pretty all year. It's even pretty in the wintertime, when there's just you can see the little buds of the future flowers. Magnolia is definitely one of my favorite landscaping plants. Like I said, we just put in another one, and I'll be sure to make more videos about some more of my favorite easy landscaping plants that are dramatic and make a statement without needing a whole bunch of special care because nobody has time for that. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.